What I'm about to show you is going to transform the way that you trade meme coins. I know for a fact a lot of you guys have been having issues with regards to determining when to be active and inactive as far as trading meme coins is concerned. So if you take a look at the price action of Solana, by the way, if you happen to be trading a lot of Solana meme coins, right, it means your base meme coin that you're supposed to be doing your technical analysis and basing your trades off of should be Solana. So if you take a look at the past couple of weeks, right, we have obviously had a very dramatic downtrend, and this is one of the reasons why a lot of people haven't been very successful trading meme coin. However, on the flip side of it, right, even though we were having a downtrend on the midterm time frames, right, we had trading opportunities where the price of Solana was very, very tradable, and it had a lot of volume, and there was a lot of trading opportunities. So one thing that you have to understand when it comes to trading meme coins is you're going to make money trading meme coins during two particular phases of a cycle. Number one, when the price of Solana as your best coin, so you can substitute Solana for Tron, BNB or whatever you are trading, right? It doesn't really matter. So all you have to understand is your best coin should be in an uptrend or it should be ranging. Okay, if the markets are ranging with regards to your base coin, you're obviously going to make a lot of money. When you sort of put your filters and you configure them, you're obviously going to see a lot of pop-ups. As you can see right over here, there are trading opportunities because according to our filters, we're seeing sort of coins pop up and we are having trading opportunities because right now the price of Solana did have a bounce. So what you want to avoid is being active when you have a rejection like these moments because you're going to have diminishing returns. Number one, if your base altcoin that you're holding is Solana, if the price is going to be decreasing, number one, you are facing a lot of losses due to the fact that Solana is dropping from 145 to about 115. You're already losing money on Solana, so it's a lose-lose situation. So in such moments, right, I really advise people to sort of refrain from trading because you are basically in a lose-lose situation. However, there are moments where, let's say, for example, you sort of get lucky and one of the meme coins that you're trading happens to do like a 10x, right? The diminishing returns on Solana, due to the fact that it's dumping by about 15 to 10%, those are going to be overwritten. So it doesn't really matter. But most of the times, you guys are not really geniuses. You're not really that good at trading meme coins. So this is not really going to be something that you're going to be relying on. So this is one of the reasons why I want you to sort of have an all-rounded type of strategy where you are not only relying on meme coin trades, but you are also relying on altcoin trades as well, and you are also able to do your own technical analysis. So if you guys watched yesterday's episode, I broke down how to use the VWAP. You guys already know the VWAP is one of my favorite indicators. You already know that I also like the Wyckoff methodology, the Wyckoff distribution and accumulation methodology, and I also like the triple screen trading methodology. So triple screen trading method. Okay, these three things with a combination of good TA, you guys are going to be untouchable. You see, I want to create an army of meme coin enthusiasts, people who trade meme coins religiously, who've got the technical skills. You understand? Because a lot of you guys rely on luck and you also rely on alpha groups. You do not need an alpha group. You do not need anybody else. All you got to do is work on the things that I talk about and you guys are going to do extremely well. Okay, boom. So number one, you already know when to be active when trading meme coins. So I've got a question for you. Okay. Yes, you. I know you're listening to me right now, and I want to ask you this particular question. Okay. So the price of Solana has been dropping. Do you think we are likely to find some sort of support? Did we find support here at 112? And do you think it's going to be a lucrative next 24 to about 72 hours trading Solana meme coins? Do you think we are safe to sort of start trading meme coins on Axiom. By the way, in case you guys don't already have Axiom, Axiom allows us to trade meme coins, and it also allows us to trade perpetuals as well. Perpetuals just basically help us to sort of short the markets. Remember what I was talking about yesterday, right? In this game, you need to have a well-rounded platform, which is a hybrid of Binance, Coinbase, and Pump Fund. So basically, Axiom Pro is that particular trading platform where you are able to trade meme coins, the meme coins that are being created on Pump Fund and Moonshot, and you're also able to short a lot of different alternative cryptocurrencies such as BTC, Ethereum, Solana, CRYPTOHYPE, Sui, and all these other meme coins as well. So you are able to trade and make money in both directions. I do not want you to be a one-trick pony. So this is one of the reasons why I'm also taking time to teach you a little bit of TA fundamentals that will really help you make money, because it's not always all about filters. You get my point? Anyhow, moving on. So yeah, check out the link in the description, Axiom Pro, and you already know that we always use Sniperoo. So make sure you've got Sniperoo activated. Sniperoo is going to allow you to have very good trailing stop losses and stop losses. So trailing stop losses are very different from stop losses. I've already explained this like 1,000 times. You guys already know the system. If you want to be a profitable meme trader, you need to use Axiom Pro in conjunction with Sniperoo. All the links are going to be in the description. Those are my referral links. If you help me, I'm going to make more and more powerful content. So coming back to today's episode, right? In order for you to get good at trading meme coins, understand technical analysis of base coins. You need to figure out where you are in this journey of trading meme coins so that you can make the most lucrative decisions and the best decisions. So right now, right, we are seeing a little bit of some signs of a bounce. Today we have bounced by about close to 12%, 12 to about 15%, give or take. Yeah. So what I am expecting, and take a look at how the VWAP is reacting. So let me just show you my indicators. So we go to this. How do I get a hold of my indicators? Yeah, I wanted to show you these things. Okay, yeah, there we have them. Okay, so let me just get rid of the SVP. The SVP is a session volume profile, by the way. Like I told you, right, I love using volume-based indicators because the only thing that I manipulate when it comes to all my trades is volume. So if you take a look at most of my indicators, they are mostly based on volume because volume precedes price action. If you want to understand where the price is going to go, understand the volume. So yeah, let me get rid of the SVP and let me also get rid of that. So let's just remain with the VWAP. In case you guys want to check out my settings, I guess I'm just using the the regular settings. These are the inputs. Just screenshot this and use these on your particular setup. So yeah, this is all I have in terms of my general settings. Okay, so as far as the VWAP is concerned, take a look at how the VWAP on the 4-hour has sort of been overcome. So this number one is one of those trigger signs for me to sort of pay attention. You see, when I'm trading cryptocurrency markets, meme coins, altcoins, etc., I'm looking for signs to convince me to take a certain action, if I can put it that way. I need confirmation. So number one, the confirmation that I need is a very good VWAP, okay? Then I also need a very good reaccumulation schematic as far as Wyckoff is concerned, breakout towards the upside. Okay, so since we've been having a downtrend, a very clear downtrend, right? I want to see a change in structure. Right over here, right? We almost had a change in structure, but it didn't really go anywhere. You get my point? So we had like a very good moment right over here, but it ended up being overwritten. Therefore, we neglect this trading action which was there, and we just proceed with the downtrend. So this is one of the reasons, if you were trading this particular levels right over here, you would have easily taken that short and you would have easily made a whole lot of money. So what I'm going to be looking for on a smaller time frame, so if you guys pay attention, right now I'm actually on the 8-hour time frame. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You're going to see, moving between time frame and just sort of manipulating the time frame, you're going to be able to see things from a different perspective. And especially when it comes to the triple screen trading method, right? Remember, the time frames that I trade in are the 3-day time frame for the general trend. Then the 4 hours is gonna be my counter trend, and 24 minutes is going to be my execution time frames. Okay, so most of the times you're going to see me manipulate these time frames and sort of figure out what's happening. So if you guys don't really understand what I'm talking about, please watch yesterday's episode, the video that was released prior to today's episode. Then you guys are going to have a clear understanding of what I'm talking about, because this is very important for you to get the context. Okay, so the other secret hack that you can also use is you can also invert the chart right over here. So how do you invert the chart? So you basically go on the scale and then you do it like that. So if you see the chart inverted like this, right, you can easily see where the price of Solana is likely going to go to, because if you invert the chart, right, you're going to be able to see different dimensions. Let's do that, and then let's decipher it in a different way. Okay, so for clarity's sake, let me also use like a different color there so that you can see the different demarcations and whatnot. So if you take a look at the momentum that we're having, where we are going is grabbing this liquidity right over here at around 85. Then there's also this liquidity level right over here. So right now what we're seeing is the price of Solana sort of get to use the support, aka the resistance, because remember we have inverted the charts. The charts are like this. This is the normal charts. Okay, the reason why we're inverting it is so that we can have like a different perspective. When you have a different perspective, you already know where the breakout is going to happen and where it's going to end up going. So what I expect is for the price of Solana to have a pullback, come back down, and then sort of range before finally breaking out and going to tap in to this particular liquidity right over here and this liquidity. So we've got two different liquidity zones, aka support zones. If we have a breakout towards the downside is going to mean the price of Solana is going to go to about $90 or even 104. So right now the immediate target as far as Solana is concerned is going to be this level. Okay, this particular level right over here. This is where we're going to find some support. Okay, so I'm going to put it green, and then this level you guys already know. So if I invert the scale again, the chart, you guys are already going to see this is what we're dealing with. So as far as the markets are concerned, right, in the next couple of days, in the next coming few hours, the price of Solana is obviously going to, go back and forth around these levels, and eventually when the time is right, it's going to break further down, and this is going to be the ultimate level to sort of trade. Now that you guys already have the blueprint and you understand where and what Solana is going to do, right, we only have these few moments to make the most out of trading meme coins, because remember I told you that you can only make money when the price of Solana is going up or if it is ranging, okay, before the breakdown towards the downside or towards the upside, during a range and during an uptrend. Okay, so at this particular moment we are expecting the price of Solana to range, and we already know our boundary and our target. So what are we going to do? We're going to get busy with trading meme coins in conjunction with Sniperoo and Axiom etc. And before the breakdown, I'm going to give you the secret sauce as far as determining when you can get out of your trades and understand that, okay, this is definitely going to end up crashing and I need to close my trades. Just for spoilers sake, just to spoil the whole next episode, just use the VWAP. If you use the VWAP, you're going to know that, okay, the fun is over. It's time to get out of my trades. So what does this imply, especially if you want to sort of, make some quick money each and every day? Just figure out a way to manipulate the markets and be able to get in. So if you see most of my portfolios, they're mostly in USDT. I sort of scalped when it sort of ended up bouncing, etc. So now that you have figured out when to trade meme coins and when to avoid meme coins, okay, what you need to do now is readjust your filters. Remember, the price of Solana has reduced in value. Therefore, our set filters are no longer applicable because the price of Solana is definitely very different, and therefore we need to adjust the prices and the values of our filters. So once you figure out where the price of Solana is going to be, if it's in a downtrend, in an uptrend, in a ranging market, etc., and then you figure out, okay, now I can get away with trades, I can sort of get in, get out. Now you go to your Axiom pulse filters and you adjust your filters. So what I usually do is, most of the times, I only snipe and trade meme coins that are in the final stretch, which is obviously the about to graduate filter. So you guys already know the formula for the final stretch. So our formula is going to be, so about to graduate formula. Okay, about to graduate. So what you're going to do is get the pump fund threshold as far as the graduation amount. So if you take a look at this, you figure out when the price is going to hit the bonding curve. So right now, in order for you to graduate a coin, it needs to go to about 52,900 market cap. So you already know that's your figure. So that's your bonding curve graduation amount. So bonding curve graduation level multiplied by 0.5 is gonna give you the volume of the filters for about to graduate. Okay, remember the time frame that we're using is 3 minutes maximum. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so you go to your Axiom pulse in your final stretch. In your audit, you put 3 minutes maximum on your time frame. Then you go to your metrics and you use the formula. So in terms of the volume, this is going to be the minimum volume. So 52,000 divided by half, which is obviously going to be roughly around 25,000. So let's just round it off to about 25,000. So you go to Axiom Pro, you go to your 25,000 level. So remember, previously it was around 30,000. But this time it's going to be 25,000. And when it comes to the market cap metric, right over here, the minimum is going to be, let's go back to our whiteboard. So this is for the volume, right? Now let's go to the market cap, the M cap, like that. So what we're going to have is the bonding curve graduation level, which is 52,000, because we already know the 52,000 is right over here, multiplied by 70%. Okay, 0.7. Okay, so this figure right over here multiplied by 0.7. Okay, so if you get this figure, let me just do some quick math on my phone. I'm using my phone right now. 52,000 multiplied by 0.7 is gonna give me roughly $36,400 US. So we go back to our market cap and we adjust our settings. 36,400 right over here. So these are going to be our filters. So now we are trading with the right attributes. We're going to see pop-ups come through, which are going to be very, very lucrative. Of course, due to the fact that there's a lot of uncertainty, there's a lot of people who are on the edge, and a lot of people don't really want to be in Solana. There's going to be very few trading opportunities, but once in a while, just like we saw right over here, right, we obviously had a very good opportunity which we would have taken right over here. It's still pumping, it's still going to almost 14.7 million. So remember when we just started recording this episode, right, I saw this particular coin pop up right over here. So if you got in, you would have made a whole lot of money. You would have literally made more than a 10x instantly. So just play back my video, then you're going to see this. It popped up on our migrated filter. So in case you guys are wondering about the migrated filters that I have, it's about 30 minutes right over here. This one has been around for about 37, and then I've got my matrix right over here. I just simply put the volume to be that high. So this is extremely high type of volume, and in order for this particular coin to have popped out, right, I'm sure it's going to do very well. It's going to do very well. If I wasn't recording and just talking to you guys, I would have gotten into this particular trade. I would have gotten in roughly, before it ended up pushing up that high. Okay, so this should be some very good news as far as Elon Musk is concerned. So to other people watching this in the future, what's the value of Tesla Force 1? Did it do like a 20x etc? Please let me know in the comment section below. But I really feel bad, because I missed that particular trading opportunity. I would have definitely jumped in. I was super ready. Okay, so these metrics that you see right over here are for extreme time frames. So what happened to this particular project? What's going on? I'm sure Elon Musk tweeted something. There's something driving and causing this particular coin to have so much volume, because my filters are really overpowered. Take a look at this. Market cap 2 million, then the volume is around $1 million. Wow, that's crazy. So yeah, the time that we sort of saw it, it was really like in these levels, between 2 million to around 5 million. So we could have easily made more than 150%. So these filters do work, because a lot of you guys usually ask me, hey, do these filters work? How come I'm like waiting for 2 hours and there's nothing popping up? Look, the reason why nothing is popping up is because you're filtering out a lot of bad coins. So you just want to concentrate on the perfect best coins, and this is what you usually get. So just take a look at this, 14.8 million US dollars. So let's take a look at this. Oh, something is happening at the White House right now. Oh, okay. Yeah, anyway, I missed that trade. So you guys use my filters, you're going to have very good trading opportunities. Imagine if you were able to get in, around 45,000 US dollars. You could have easily made a whole lot of money. Trust me. So yeah, that's one of the perks of trading meme coins. So I hope you guys understood today's game plan. The most important thing is I want you to be very good at technical analysis as far as base coins are concerned. Solana, Tron, BNB, whatever base coin you're trading your meme coins on. So it's gonna be very important. That's all I had for you guys. You guys have been awesome. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you use my links as far as Axiom Pro is concerned and Sniperoo, and make sure you turn on post notifications, hit the like button as well, and please let me know in the comment section below if you guys have been improving your trades and your technical analysis and you understand everything that I talk about. Has the VWAP been helpful for you guys? Do you understand Wyckoff? Do you also understand the triple screen trading method? The triple screen trading method. Are you guys able to use everything that I'm talking about? So talk to you a little bit later, and yeah, you guys be blessed and good luck.